up guys? My name is Megan and welcome to Treat Yourself. Today we're gonna be making bananas Foster upside down cake. So to do that, you're gonna need some flour, brown sugar, and regular sugar, bananas of course, yogurt, like plain yogurt, butter and eggs, your baking powder, cinnamon and salt, a little bit of milk, some vanilla extract, and of course, your dark rum. All right, before we start, we're gonna take shots because that's just what has to happen now. So we have a special guest filming today. Everyone, you've seen her before. This is Annie. Camilla's at work, we miss him. Miss you, Camilla. Marketing director Annie.
Camera person.
Oh, so on that we're gonna give her shots. Yay! Taking fancy rum shots today. We're not f***ing around. Here you go. Here you go. Yum.
Yum.
Yay.
Oh, oh, that was okay. Oh.
Okay, time to make a cake now. Okay, so first things we're gonna do to make our cake, I'm going to be using this round pan. There's a little bit of butter in it. Hold on, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna use this round pan, it's fine. I'm putting literally butter all over it, so it's gonna be fine. We're gonna start by lining the bottom of the pan with our butter and sugar and banana mix. So I have a half a cup, entire stick. Half a cup of butter melted. It's gonna go ahead and pour that directly into the pan that we are baking in. Following that by a half a cup of dark brown sugar. It's gonna spread that evenly. Combine that all together. This is gonna become the bottom. Well, this is actually gonna become the top of our cake, and it's gonna caramelize the bananas while it cooks. It's gonna be delicious. This is gonna be buttery delicious. To this, I'm gonna add a little bit of our very fancy vanilla extract. Fancy Christmas gift. Thank you. I'm so excited about this. Never used it. Okay. Ooh. That smells so good, I just want to drink it. Anyway, I'm just gonna put just a little bit. Technically, this recipe doesn't really call for vanilla extract, but it feels a little illegal to me, so I'm just gonna put some in there because vanilla extract belongs in everything. We're gonna also add some rum to this mix as well. Calls for 2 tablespoons of rum into the mix, but if you've seen any episode of Treat Yourself ever, I say that is not enough, so like that much. So now I'm gonna just set this aside, and this is going to be the base where we're going to lay all of our bananas. I'm gonna start with 2 and just see what happens. Just gonna peel them, and for these, I'm using bananas that aren't totally ripe yet because they're gonna cook and they might brown a little bit when they cook. So if you use bananas that are too ripe, they might just get squishy, disturbing. So would not recommend squishy, disturbing. I'm gonna cut the bananas this way so they're like long, thin pieces, and they don't have to be super perfect. That one was I can't.
You make me so nervous.
You're right, I'm sorry. We got our banana slices. I'm not sure how I should go about laying them in there in a cute way. I'm gonna try and do something cute. I don't know if it's gonna work, we'll see. I've never done a cake where you like do the decorative part first. It's kind of weird. I got a bad feeling about this already, I'm not gonna lie, but you know what? It's gonna be fine. Might need to cut another banana. It's totally fine. Maybe that's enough.
I think you're good.
Think I'm good?
Yeah.
It looks kind of ugly. Okay, so here's our bananas. We have our pan lined, bananas ready to go. So we're just gonna set that aside actually for a minute. Perfect, so now that we have our bananas and caramelizing pan thing ready and set aside, Jesus Christ, we're going to mix up the rest of our ingredients. So we're gonna start with our wet ingredients. We have a half a cup of milk here, and we're adding 1 egg. Look at this.
What is
This egg has a nipple.
What?
You see it?
Oh my god, it does.
It looks like a beauty blender.
You see that?
Wait, hold on.
You see that egg nipple?
I see the egg nipple.
No, don't. That's up. For the love of God. We're adding 1/3 cup of yogurt. I just forgot what that was called for a second. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and add a couple of extra spoonfuls of yogurt to this because I do not have vegetable oil on hand. So I'm using a little bit of yogurt as a replacement for vegetable oil. And I'm gonna put the sugar in. Right? Sugar goes in the wet ingredients, doesn't it? Wow, do I know how to bake? Hold on. Right, sugar goes in the wet ingredients, doesn't it? Wait, I forgot a wet ingredient, the rum. What the f is wrong with me? We're gonna add rum to this too. The recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of rum. Again, I'm adding more than that. Of our wet ingredients, good to go. And to a separate bowl, I'm gonna add our dry ingredients. We're starting with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. We're doing 3/4 of a cup of granulated white sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and as much cinnamon as you want. We're also gonna add a little pinch of salt, combine them, try and get out the lumps. And now we're just going to add our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients, stir them together. This cake is gonna be like creamy, delicious. Look at that. That looks appetizing to me. Is that f***ed up?
You wouldn't eat that right now, as is?
Kinda.
Do it.
No, wait, can you get sick because there's raw egg in it?
I was gonna say, is there an egg?
Yeah, it's just a little raw egg.
Do it.
I'm not gonna do it, that's f***ed up. Look at that cake batter. Ooh, girl. Yes. Next up is like basically the last step. Surprisingly, a non-complicated and chill, relaxing little recipe. We're just gonna pour it on top of this shit, and that's it. We're gonna bake it. I feel like this is gonna be a winner, not gonna lie. So we're gonna go ahead and just put this in the oven for about 50 minutes. The hard part comes after it's done, because we gotta flip it over. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little scared to do that. We have like an hour to worry about it, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in our oven that is preheated to 350 degrees for 50 minutes. Yeah, cinema.
Shots?
Yes. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's horrible.
Okay. Okay. Bye, guys. We'll see you in an hour.
Remember what to say?
Yeah, I remember what to say.
You sure? Wow.
Yeah, we're gonna flip this cake.
So you remember your lines?
My lines? I don't have lines. I don't have lines on this show. I just say whatever the I want.
Start when you're ready.
In quotes.
Our cake is done. Baked for about an hour, and then we let it cool for about 10 minutes or so. So it would be easier to flip. Which is the part that we're gonna do now. I'm a little scared, not gonna lie, but it looks pretty good. Like super golden. It passed the fork test perfectly, came out super clean, amazing. First of all, for the love of God, I hope it doesn't break. Second of all, is it gonna be ugly as shit? I don't know. You wanna make sure you get a platter or plate or surface or whatever you're gonna flip it onto that is bigger than the pan, or else you're just gonna have a problem like flipping your cake. You're just gonna break it everywhere.
If you get it, you have to take a shot, and if you don't get it, you have to take 2 shots.
What? If I don't get it, I have to take 2 shots?
Yeah.
That's fair.
But Annie has to do it too.
Oh.
All right,
Okay, fine.
we're in on this
Okay, I'll
together.
do it. Whatever. She's not-
Okay.
I don't care.
Oh, fine. I don't want to. I'm gonna sage the whole plate. And myself, just in case. Okay, I'm gonna do it for real. Ready?
Yeah.
This buildup is so f***ing stupid. Yeah.
Feel it?
No. It plopped! I heard it drop! Oh my god, I'm so scared to lift this up. Are you ready for the big reveal? Ah! Look at it! The middle looks a little not gonna lie, but like, oh my god. The saging worked. All right, we gotta take a shot. I can't believe I just fucking saged this cake. That's the stupidest thing I've ever done in my life. Actually, no, it's not. It's pretty on brand.
Celebrate.
Oh my god, this is a lot.
The same as it has been every time. Mm-hmm.
Like the taste, just drink it.
Yeah, you did like it. It's actually not bad. Maybe it was because it was the third one.
Are you gonna put ice cream on it?
I thought about this the other day and I was like, I'm not even gonna tell them. I'm just gonna whip it out mid-filming. Oh my god.
Is she gonna be beautiful? Oh my goodness. Look at her. She's steamy.
Holy y'all. We're gonna put a little bit of ice cream next to it for cutes and for delicious. Look at that! Are you fucking kidding me? Do you see the steam? I wanna eat like the outside caramelized part. Okay, I'm gonna try it without the ice cream on it first. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? All right, let me get the ice cream. Wait, this is amazing. Wow. Honestly, I've never even had banana foster upside down cake before. The texture of the cake is so perfect. It's like airy, but it also has kind of a denseness to it. It's got like, I know people hate the f***ing moist word, but like truly, like the yogurt in it, just, please.
I want it with ice cream. I love it.
Mm-hmm.
It's like almost like caramel. But
Right.
Like, the bananas are good in that too.
Ooh, you gave me like a caramelized crispy part on the edges.
Yeah, the crispy.
With that ice cream to just like, the ice cream like hugs you. It's like, I'm here.
Yeah.
Gimme.
Okay.
I want more.
Wow. I'm kind of speechless. I feel like that's kind of saying a lot for me. I'm like really annoying, so. This was a great time. This is a great choice. 10 out of 10, I would recommend. You better treat yourself to some fucking bananas Foster upside down cake, some vanilla ice cream, little rum, a couple shots. Yeah, that's it.